ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss brief syllabus overview of electric circuits or network theory part 2. In this we are going to discuss two-port networks, symmetrical circuits, asymmetrical circuits, filters, network synthesis, attenuators and equalizers, three-phase circuits and graph theory. First of all, we will move on to two-port circuits or two-port networks, where we will see open circuit or impedance or Z parameters. We will see the reciprocity condition, symmetricity condition, equivalent diagram. Then we will move on to short circuit parameters, admittance parameters or Y parameters, for which again we will see reciprocity condition, symmetry condition and equivalent circuit. Then we will move on to ABCD or transmission or general circuit parameters, for which we will see reciprocity and symmetry conditions, and there is no equivalent circuit for this. We will learn why there is no equivalent circuit condition behind it or reason behind it. Then we will see H parameter or hybrid parameters, reciprocity and symmetry conditions, equivalent circuit. Then we will see inverse ABCD parameters and inverse hybrid parameters. After that we will see conversion of one parameters to another parameters. With this we will end two-port networks. Then we will move to symmetrical circuits or symmetrical networks, where we will see some basic terms like what is the definition of symmetrical network, what is the definition of asymmetrical network or disymmetrical network, what do you mean by characteristic impedance, propagation constant, correctly terminated or properly terminated symmetrical network, what is mean by iterative impedance, image impedance, correctly terminated or properly terminated asymmetrical network, what do we mean by image transfer constant, attenuation constant and phase constant. Then we will see in symmetrical networks how to find characteristic impedance for T-type and Pi-type networks, and how to find propagation constant for T-type and Pi-type networks. And then we will move on to asymmetrical networks, where we will find the iterative impedance of L-type network, image impedance of L-type network, and image transfer constant of L-type network. Then we will move on to filters. First we will see some basic definitions like what is mean by a filter, active filters, passive filters, pass band or transmission band filters, or what is mean by a pass band or transmission band, what is mean by stop band or attenuation band, what is mean by cutoff frequency or nominal frequency, attenuation constant, phase constant, low pass filter and high pass filter, band pass filter, band stop or band elimination filter, propagation constant, theorem connecting Z0 and alpha. Now we will see the classification of filters. Constant K or prototype filter, nominal characteristic impedance, shunt capacitance and series inductance, disadvantages of constant K filters, and then we will see M derived filters. First of all, we will see what do we study in constant K filters. Constant K filters are again classified into constant K low pass filter and constant K high pass filter, where we will see what is mean by K, that is nominal characteristic impedance, what is cutoff frequency, attenuation constant, phase constant for pass band and stop band, and then we will see characteristic impedance of T-type and Pi-type network for both low pass constant K filter and high pass constant K filter. Then we will move on to M derived filters. In M derived filters, first of all we will derive M derived T section and M derived Pi section. Then we will find attenuation constant, phase constant, and then resonant frequency for M derived filters. With this, filters will be over. Then we will move on to network synthesis, where we will see what do we mean by a positive real function, what is a Hodgewitz polynomial, and then we will see what are Foster form 1, Foster form 2, Coir form 1, Coir form 2. With this we complete the network synthesis. Then we will move on to attenuators and equalizers. In attenuators, we will see some basic definitions like power ratios, voltage ratios, current ratios, and expression of attenuation in Nefer and decibel. Then different types of attenuation networks like symmetrical T-type attenuator, symmetrical pi-type attenuator, symmetrical lattice type attenuator, bridged T-type attenuator, asymmetrical T-type attenuator, asymmetrical L-type attenuator, and asymmetrical pi-type attenuator. Then we will move on to equalizers. We will see what is the inverse network, full series equalizer, full shunt equalizer, bridged T-type equalizer, bridged T attenuation equalizer, bridged T phase equalizer, lattice equalizer, lattice attenuation equalizer, lattice phase equalizer. With this we will end attenuators and equalizers. Then we will move on to three-phase circuits. In three-phase circuits, first of all, we will see some basic definitions like what is a balanced system, what is a phase sequence and phase voltage, line voltage, phase current and a line current, what is meant by balanced load, and classification of three-phase loads into balanced load and unbalanced load. And then balanced load, we will see 4-wire star connected balanced load, 3-wire star connected balanced load, delta connected balanced load. Similarly, in unbalanced load also, we will see 4-wire star connected unbalanced load, 3-wire star connected unbalanced load, and delta connected load. Then we will move on to graph theory. First of all, we will see some terms like network topology, what is meant by a graph, tree, basic cut set and basic tie set matrix for planar networks, loop and nodal methods of analysis of networks. Then we will see duality and dual networks. With this, we will end the brief syllabus overview of electrical circuits or network theory. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, do share, subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.
Okay friends, for more educational videos, do subscribe our channel AR Educational channel. Share, like and comment friends. We need your support. We need your support which motivate us to do more videos further. For learning basic concepts and test your knowledge and to give suggestions and also to clear your conceptual doubts, follow us on our Instagram account. Thank you friends for watching our video.